Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another video on Oracle Cloud Services. Today, I will try to cover Oracle Analytics, uh, which is visualization tool, data visualization. Uh, First, I will showcase the Oracle product. They have online as well as desktop edition. Just like Oracle has, Microsoft has the Power BI. So, Power BI online is available, cloud, and then you have the desktop version as well. Okay. Uh, Let's say I downloaded the desktop version of data visualization. This is the desktop version I locally installed here. This is on my local PC, right? But same way, when you will log into cloud, you will have the same. So, you can just compare, almost same, right? Just let me maximize it. So, it's almost same, right? So, here you will create the same way you are creating over here, right? So, I will close this desktop version for the time. I don't need it now. We will use the online version, which is the cloud, and this is Power BI, Microsoft product. This is called Power BI, and Oracle is calling data visualization, right? So, here you can see they have the tabs, same we will be having it over there as well, right? And this can, if once you will publish, it will go to their cloud. So, online, just like we have for Oracle. So, now let us start with Oracle. Okay, let me show you from where you will get this analytics in your cloud account. Let me log in, because I had logged in earlier. Cloud, it is available in the free account as well. So, nothing to worry. I will just show you here, because already I have created the instance for Oracle Analytics, which took around, if I am not wrong, 10 to 15 minutes. So, it took more time than I was doing autonomous database provisioning. Okay. So, if you come here in this, don't confuse with this analytics, right, please. Okay, you have to come here and you have to go to platform services, right. Under platform services, you will find on the top analytics. Yeah. So, just click it here. I will not complete this instance, because already created, it will take time. So, I will not waste time, but I will go to the created instance for the time being for this demo. Okay. See here, already instance is there. So, what you have to do, just you have to create instance, right, and let me show you. This is also very simple, not a tricky one. Just you have to put instance name, description, notification email, region, and that's it almost. I am saying non-production, yeah, enterprise edition, feature set, yeah. This is for licensing and all those things, yeah. Okay, let's move. I will cancel it, and the next step is confirm, and it will create. So, I have the created one over here. If you see here, one instance, OCPU. This is my created one. So, when I create it here, it is this one, right. So, once you will click here, this will come, right. Okay. Now, you can play this video. It will give you sort of very basic introduction. I think that should be enough. Visualize data, learn more and things like that, and then down you can have your projects, out of which this is my project I created. So, I will show you how to create. So, you will know is it simple or is it tough or what. So, then it will, I will give you the introduction as well. Okay, let me create, start create. Okay, first you will start with a project. Let us click project. Okay, if you see here, I had connected to my on-premises database as well. I will show you, but I will not connect at the moment, but I will show you how to connect, right. So, here I had uploaded this Excel file, which we use normally for the sales data generated by our tool in Excel. Okay. So, I will what I will do, first you have to do this create data set, right. Click here. Now, it is saying you can drop your file here, Excel file, and its extension should be XLSX. Yeah. So, this you have to keep in mind. Okay. Then this is my remote connection to my database. This is in my own premises, right. And it's really I found it very easy. I will show you how to do that. It's just few second setup, and here this is the Excel file. Okay, let me show you how to create a connection. I will not enter all the information due to confidentiality, and but I will show you how you can do it. There are different options available. Even you can log into MS SQL SQL Server as well. There are other PostgreSQL, Informex, Google Drive. So, there are different plenty of connections available. Okay. So, let me try Oracle database. Okay. First, you will enter your that connection name. Let us say I am saying test, then description some sort of. This will be your public IP, because you are now accessing outside your network. So, here you need the public IP, right. Here you will enter the port. Let us say for example, let us say if it is 51521 or whatever, right. Here you need to upload the same certificate, wallet certificate, which is there on your server on this database configured. So, that need to be configured, right. Then here is the username, and then the password, and here is the service name, which you can take from your tnsnames.ora, right, and save. Literally, you will not feel that this is a remote database. I was expecting it will take time or it will be complex, tricky, but I found it really easy. Okay, let us say cancel. Sorry, I had to prepare. Okay. Create data set. So, I can drag or click here to browse. If I am here, let me find the file. This is my file. This was one was commerce. So, I will choose this one. If you see here, if it will allow me to upload again, I that need to check because it is already there. Maybe it might ask that file is already there, something I do not know. Let us see. This is 10,000 records in this file. Okay. So, if I will create connection, that will be external connections to your databases or cloud accounts, autonomous database or whatever you can create over there. Okay. Let it be uploaded. Maybe my connection is a bit slow at home. Okay. So, those who have already used Microsoft Power BI, for them it will be very easy tool. My only recommendation is, I mean, this is my own personal my experience and recommendation as well. When you have databases of Oracle, try to use Oracle products. Connections will be transparent, easy. So, instead of doing another ODPs and all those, you do not need to do that one. And if you have, let us say for example, Microsoft databases, MS SQL or whatever, then better to use than Power BI, because it is straightforward. But let us say for example, if you have heterogeneous, I mean mix, let us say I will say 50-50 or something like that, then since I will show you, then you can better judge it over here, how it look nice, which one is look nice or whatever. Anyway, now this, see, if you see on the down, we have the data, right, and you can change the names or whatever the way you want. And let me try to add, see, that's what I was expecting. Excellent. So Oracle caught it. No problem. Are you sure you want to replace it? Yes, replace it. So duplication was there, I knew it. So now it got replaced. Okay. Now if you see here, this is now we are preparing different I will say tools. They are different naming transformation, fuses. I think in that you will go in BI, sorry, Power BI, it is transformation. Here are, and Excel as well, Power BI tools. So that is transformation. Okay. Now here if you see on the right side, there are certain recommendations, right. Okay. Now let us say for example, let me give you example. Now here we have order date. Okay, when you will do this graphs or analysis dashboard, then you might need, let us say for example, maybe you will compare quarters, you might compare years, you might compare months, things like. So now if you see here, there is no quarter. For example, I am just let me give you the example of a quarter. So 2009 is there, but which quarter, right? Okay. Now if you come on the right side, it has, okay, exact day of week. Okay, I am not interested in the week. Day, no, I am not interested in the days. Month of year, yes. Click, just I clicked it. Okay, it is added here. See here, the month is now next to the date. So it will be the same month which is in the order date. Okay, then next will be quarter of year from order date. It makes sense to me. I would like to analyze. Okay, from order date. This is same. Yeah, okay, this is with year. So it is quarter 2 of 2019. Here it is just Q2. Yeah, so these are the different recommendations you can edit over here. Okay, let me add this year as well. You can add all as well, no issue. But I'm not interested in the day because it will be, I don't want to compare with the days. It's okay. Okay, now if you see here, we have this order date year 1 and that's it. Okay, good. Now we have the data. Let me save it. I will save this project as my ERPstuff demo. Just an example. Okay, save. Right. So now I have the data which is there. Now I will go to visualize. Okay, if you see on the left side, we got the table on this side, and now what I will do, let me click amount. If you see down here, see the aggregation for amount, it is sum. This is important, right? So price also sum, which you can change to, might be average or whatever. I am just changing it to average, let us say for example, in this case. Okay, now then I need to go to quantity. Okay, let us see what is the quantity. Sum is okay, it makes sense, because price summing will not make any sense of the different products. So I have just made it average. It's okay, maybe in the examples even I will not use them. Okay, now this on the right side we have visualization canvas. See, on the bottom there is a canvas 1. We can have multiple canvases, just like in Excel you have different sheets, or in Power BI you also have bottom these, you call it pages or whatever, right. Okay, now let me drag my category. Okay, you can press Control key and you can select. Okay, I will select region, then I will select press Control and then category. Sorry, no. Press Control and even it is not. It should work. It is not selecting. Amount. Really strange. Okay, I will drag region on right side, but it will not come. Why it is strange? Region, amount, category. Normally it works. I don't know why it is not working. Okay, let me say that here. Okay, now it is selected. Why? Okay, let me drop one by one. Okay, region, then I will category. Let us see how it will move. Amount. Okay, so since here pivot is selected, so maybe that's why it is doing this one, right. So I put it auto and my chart is ready, right. Okay, now here you have different sort of places, almost same like all tools. Okay, here there is a filter. So if I will go, okay, let me try to find the quarter one. So I will drag it and will drop here. Okay, so if I see here, filter is done, right. Okay, show filter, mount, okay, filter we can add it here. Okay, let me put something, maybe city. Okay, so my cities are here. So what I will do, even on this filter I will also put it on top. Okay, done, right. Let us say for example, we can have different Q1, Q1 and Q2. If you see down, it is getting updated, right? Okay. So, and you can select multiple cities. If you see here, see on the right side, it is getting changed. Okay. And then I will say deselect all, it is back, right? Okay. Now, this trellis, this is sort of, you can say, splitting. Let us say for example, if you want to split quarters, you can put it here. So, what I will do, let me take the quarter, other quarter, year 1. So, or month, I will put it on the column. Let us see now it is showing month wise, right? So, quite easy, and just drag and drop. Okay, then again you can change the chart types, up to you again as per your requirements, right? So, it is quite straightforward, very easy, and this is auto visualization, right? Okay, let me remove these filters as well. Okay. Okay, let me remove region from here and why it came here, right? So, this is how it is. Now, it is up to you how you want to do it. Then you can save, right? So, once you will save, no, I do not need it. Okay, you can hide this left side data navigations as well to increase the space. Then at the bottom right, you have this apply. So, if any change is there, you have to apply here, right? And this one is just that toggle between these navigations, right? So, this also to hide. So, just to increase the space, right? And you can see here there are some other options, refresh data, reset colors. I am just giving you a high level idea, so you can decide how it is. Okay, let us say for example, we can sort. So, if you see here, there are different suggestions. So, this is something good, I really liked it. So, it is giving you suggestion. Let us say for example, let us see category wise, amount low, let us say. Okay, now if you see here, I change it over here, it is saying that you have to apply. So, see, one is there. So, I need to click here to refresh, right? This is how it will be. So, now top is on this right side, like this category, because there are multiple categories. So, that is why it is showing like this. Okay, then there is let me show you something else as well. Okay, now let us say for example, in this you do not want these up to here. Let me save it. Let us say this one, right click, remove selected, and then you have to refresh this. See, at runtime, just you are removing from your chart. How easy it is. So, if I am not interested with those, I can just remove it. If you see here on the top, it is filtered, right? It is a sort of filtering, it is not deletion, it is just sort of filtering, right? Okay, now I can save it. Now, since it is an Excel, if it was a database, autonomous or by on premises anyone, it will be same like this, right? Okay, now let me show you some samples. Okay, you can download this desktop version if you want from here. It is available here 12c 12.2.5.3.0. Its name is Oracle Data Visualization Desktop. This is like Power BI. This is Power BI desktop, right? See on the top Power BI desktop. So, same way Oracle also gave desktop version, right? So, but I am comfortable with the cloud one. Okay, here there are few examples I will say or projects which I would like to show you, so you can better compare. This is my account. Okay, this is I just showed you. Okay, in this if I come here and let me click this one, I was just viewing it, and if you see here, I just want to show you the comparison between both, right? Here it is Oracle Cloud Analytics Cloud, right? Okay, you can click this second tab, see how it is. You can guess from the layout, right? Different style. Okay, I really loved the graphics. I will say, or you can say charts. Very nice, very nice. Okay, now here it is. Okay, now let me switch you to Power BI. We'll see there. Honestly, I am not in favor of any, but normally I compare based on my observations. Power BI is a very good tool. The only thing when you will try to connect, you need ODBC and all those things, configurations, that is a bit hectic. And then you can compare, it's up to you now. I mean, here there are graphics. Let me hide this one as well to give more space. Yeah, and then I can go to like this. Very nice. New stores, right? And this is, by the way, sample downloaded from Power BI. I think I downloaded from their website. There are 6 or 7 examples you can download. So, I downloaded this retail analysis sample PBIX. So, you will just download the file and you can check how it is, right. So, if you will have the online account of Microsoft Azure, that is their cloud. So, then you can upload like Oracle. Oracle is here on the cloud, right. Okay. Now, I hope you have understood the Oracle analytics visualization. I will say visualization, pretty simple, easy to use, and then since I showed you the connectivity part, you can just come here on the prepare. Still you can change, you can remove columns just like any other tool, and then here you have this add preparation step. You can add it from here, right, and then there is a visualization. That's it, right. Okay, now if I will let me come back, save. Let me go to the main page. Let me show you something else before closing the today's session. Okay, saved. Okay, now here I have to refresh. I think it is pending. Okay, now let me go back. If I will come down here, it should show here. See here on the left side, this is my project. Okay, it is showing here, and this one was my earlier. Just I was just trying. Let me click it over here just to see. See, I was just trying something. So, this is how it is, right. Okay, I think since Oracle is giving or offering, I will say, free account of cloud, so you can create your account and give a try. It's really simple. See here, always free cloud services. So there is a free cloud services for always as well. Right. Thank you very much, and please share your feedback. Have a nice time. Allah Hafiz.